I'm gonna give an update on the wheels. I just applied I believe were 3 coats of the gloss black. This is the one that I'm using. They're looking way better than what they were looking before though. I mean, I'm doing it outside, so it is a couple like little dust or whatever that's gonna fly and freaking get stuck to it, but it's okay. They're looking pretty damn nice. So I'm gonna let them dry, and then I'm gonna use clear coat on them. And then hopefully I get my tires installed again on them probably tomorrow and put them on the car. We wanna give an update how they turning out. They're looking pretty nice. They're looking pretty nice. Let me show you the clear coat. This is gonna be the clear coat that I'm gonna be using when the black dry. Just so you know. Then I will be putting the tires back on them. So I probably do a third. Well, this is the third one, but I probably do a fourth one on the wheels after I install them in the Subi to see how they turn out, how they look on the Subi. I got wheels on the Subi right now, but I'm gonna take those wheels off and I probably sell them. I wanna go with the factory one. So I will keep you update. Subscribe, like the video if you can, and be safe.